Hi, I'm Vandana Mehrotra. I'm a serial entrepreneur. Currently, I am working for my venture called Social Ventures Solutions, which is a startup, and we are working on a product called Givers Gain. It's called Giga. It's about encouraging, enabling, and empowering smart philanthropy. It's about people helping each other, and Giga is a platform which helps people, multiple givers and gainers, to connect, interact with each other, create and exchange value for a huge social impact. So your gifts could be your time, money, and things. So I was actually looking for some right mentors and coaches to help me figure out where I stand. Is it a viable idea? Does the idea have a potential? And looking for some guidance to take me to the next orbit, because I think we've done enough being in the one orbit, just rotating in that same orbit. So I needed some help. And that's how I happened to know about Forged acceleration program, minimum viable product BootCamp, and I'm glad I made it here because. While I was iterating on the problem statement multiple times in this month, I realized that I have some clarity. But when I came to this workshop, I realized that again I was in a little confused state whether I'm approaching the core problem in a precise manner. Am I talking about the core problem? So Vishwanath's session helped me very much. I mean, it was very, very interesting to hear a lot of points which I never thought of before. So it gave me a lot of insights into my product, what I should be thinking and what actions I need to take. And over the one-to-one mentoring session, actually the feedback given to me was that I can just start selling my idea from tomorrow. There is no need for me to wait for some technological solutions, because the idea is just ready to be implemented. I have the minimum viable product and I should just go ahead and start selling. I have two markets to cater to, and the idea sounds very interesting. So that actually motivated. And in fact, I was trying to make some interesting pitch for my idea. So Vivek actually helped me look it from an altogether different perspective. I was thinking about the why, what, and how of my product, and how I should present it. But Vivek actually told me that go on the other side, live the dream that you are thinking about. It's altogether different perspective. I didn't think about it as if the product is functional and how it impacts. And a lot more clarity I got on the features and what kind of features should be there in the minimum viable product. All in all, I think 3 wonderful days and a lot of takeaways, not just one or two. And I got an action plan, and I actually got right connections. I met wonderful people like Vishwanath, Vivek, and people from ThoughtWorks who actually offered to help me out with my problems. And I so much look forward to being part of the program again, or advanced program. I look forward to be mentored, coached, and I'll definitely recommend it to all startups. In fact, when I go to a lot of summits and conferences, it's a unidirectional talk where there are no personal takeaways. But these kind of workshops is what the startups need, because there is a disconnect in what we are thinking and what the investors are thinking. So this actually gives us perspective, investors' perspective, the startups' perspective, and how to connect the dots. So there are a lot of interesting insights that you get on what investor is looking when they question, when they ask certain questions, what do they mean? And as a startup, what do we interpret? So once you understand what the investors want, you are in a better position to pitch or to put forward your perspective. So it's, again, I've always believed it's about asking the right question. Only then you find the right answers. So this bootcamp helps you find right questions, so you get right answers. I'm definitely looking forward to recommend it to my friends, and whoever is in my network who's running a startup, I wish they attend this program, and I would definitely ask them whenever the program is happening next. And the 3 words that I would like to end my talk with is this workshop gave me right connections, more clarity, and made me thinking.